What's up, it's a boy here, King of Furry Porn, bringing you a brand new video on this goddamn bag of shit we like to call the internet. Today we're going to be reviewing Railroad Corporation. The devs sent me this key last week or the week before, and I'm sorry I have not uploaded in so long. I've had some pretty distressing personal problems going on, and as well as my PC has been a bit of an arse. But I'm back. Quick heads up, at the end of this month or mid next month, me and my partner will be moving to Ireland. There will be about another week in the future where there will be no uploads. I'm very sorry for not uploading in quite a long time, and I'm sorry my PC really can't handle this game that well. So it will be quite laggy, this video, but please do bear with me because I will try and make this video the best I can. But we're going to jump straight in with a new campaign. Sandbox mode will be available later on, so we'll just do the campaign. And we will see you guys when we get in. So here we go, Baltimore neighborhood. The city of Baltimore has been granted a budget for establishing a railroad connection to its neighboring cities. You are here to lay the first railroad in these lands, and to establish transportation of cargo and passengers. So let's start this mission. Sorry about that. So, what do we have to do? We have to connect Baltimore and Piedmont. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we need to click up here in railroad. So we click here and we drag out. So we got a good 120 miles an hour here. Now we'll bring it over. So I want to get a good connection here. So I don't want it to be too long. Right. There we go. Bit slow here, but that will do grand. Right. We'll confirm this and we'll double track it. Is there any way of pausing? I can't remember. Pause. Right. That's a little bit ugly for my liking, but oh well. Actually, what if I just bring it up here? Okay, like I said, my PC really can't handle this game, so it's becoming very laggy. Applied with other structure, does it? Well, that's not very good, is it? So we'll bring it, come on. We'll bring it over like so, and then that should hopefully connect up pretty nicely. And there we go. We have a double track along here, so let's get that confirmed. So press escape or click on the right mouse button to leave road. Okay, so I need to transport grain via the new railroad to finish next objective by a locomotive. So we'll come up here, we'll buy the 040 best friend. I don't have any friends. So we need to add station. We'll add here, and we will load 3 of them, and we'll apply. And then we'll add another station, Baltimore, in which we will unload 1, 2, 3, and we'll apply. And I believe that should. Right, I believe that should start it off now. So here we go. Jesus, he's a fast little one, isn't he? Oh shit. Nice graphics on it as well. God, this will be so laggy for you guys, I'm so sorry. So we're gonna come in here. He's gonna get some coal and start loading up on the, I just love that, a little tractor down here. And here we go. So now we're carrying the grain over to Baltimore. So I have a feeling next they'll want us to connect up Cumberland. What a nice... Is Cumberland actually next to Baltimore? I don't know. I don't really know much about the United States. I love the soundtrack for this game. It is really nice. It's such a beautiful little soundtrack. Track. So we will speed this up here. Get him going a little bit faster. Jesus, he's being a bit slow. And we'll get this delivered over to Baltimore. So there we go. I love the look of this. What's that? Oh, office. Oh, so you can add those little. Ah, okay. So close. So now I need to do passenger transportation. So I clicked on passenger. So I need to transport 3 passengers from Cumberland to Baltimore. So up this way and down. So let's go ahead and start with that. So we'll give the game a quick pause. And we'll lay the railroad for this. Right, 66. Right. So we want it to come in at a nice angle. I'm not a big fan of that angle. There we go. Right, we'll confirm that. And once again, we'll double track it. Too high of a curvature. Okay. Okay then. That is one ugly railroad. And we'll connect this up here. And then, once again, we'll now right click and get ourselves a new locomotive. The best friend again, we're going to add a station, so Baltimore. So we're going to load 1, 2, 3. But we are also going to unload 1, 2, 3. So we'll apply that. Then we will add Cumberland and once again unload 1, 2, 3 and load 1, 2, 3. So this is a purely passenger service, and we'll have a little look at the second train coming out once it's ready. Oh, would help if I unpaused. And here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3 passenger trains on this service. Oh, looks like we're taking this line here instead of this line. She is a beautiful game. This game is absolutely beautiful. We'll come now into Cumberland. And how much is this going to earn? Oof, a decent bit of money that. And now here comes the... Oh, you're not taking a second? That might be a bit annoying. Baltimore neighborhood. I see it's got a question mark there. Okay. And here we go. This should be the 3 delivered now. I want to know how it fits that entire train in this tiny station. So. I need to now do the wood supply. So, Frederick to small sawmill in Cumberland. So, where is Frederick? Frederick is over here. Ooh, looks like we got a bit of tunnelling going on over here. Now, we could do it this way of coming round here into Martinsburg. or we could go straight into Frederick. But let's give it a quick pause and find out which way we're going to go. Right, can I please build? Right, thank you. Now how much will this cost? Let me see, total cost 27,000, we can afford it, bang. Let's continue. Right, once again, need a new train. So, we're going to buy another one of these. We'll take an overdraft. And this is going to go from Frederick. We're going to drop off, okay, 2 of them, apply. And then we're going to add a station of Cumberland. And we're going to unload 1, 2 of them, apply. Right, there we go, and everything should be running as per normal now. Oh, okay, I didn't really need to take out that overdraft, did I? Okay, let's see this. Wait, can I go to finances anywhere? What's this? What did I just click on? You clicked on this down here. Oh, that's the mission logs. Okay. Turns out I can't pay back overdrafts. So what have we got here in Cumberland? So City Hall. We have 12. And I just unlocked an achievement. There we go, tutorial complete. You are now eligible to apply for your first job. So I'm going to end that here, guys. If you did enjoy today's video, please do like, comment and subscribe. This game is absolutely perfect. Now, one thing I would ask them to do is input a settings ability where I can change the graphics, because as you probably can tell in this video, my PC can hardly handle this game. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed. See you next time, guys. Goodbye.